Hello my friends, 𝐓𝐹X Hunter here with Forex weekly forecast for the following week 28 September. So this is the end of the September and we will look for some trades which we had in this past month. We closed overall almost 1000 pips and we have made 20% of the profit. At least those who used the risk management which I am advising in the channel. So this is one of the trade and it's Aussie yen where we entered at sell limit and market had nicely dropped down, but we closed it a little bit earlier just for 71 pips because I'm seeing it could come higher. Next one is Aussie CAT. Here we entered with the sell limit as posted in the signals channel and then we closed nice 123 pips. Another trade was the Aussie franc. Beautiful sell limit here after the small retracement and we took out 134 pips. Good trade as well. Another trade on the Aussie, it's Aussie yen, sell limit and 71 pips. Next trade is Aussie and it's the last one from the Aussies because we shorted the Aussie based on the COT data. I saw that the banks having the big shorts positions as you can see here, so they had big shorts and so that's why we expecting them to take the price down. So we entered the shorts on the many Aussie pairs and the price dropped down. We took out 98 pips on this Aussie dollar. Next one is CAT franc. Here we entered with this nice sell limit order and it gave us 74 pips. Good drop. This one is a CAD yen. So here we took trade based on this channel and as well the supply zone. So we entered after the price was here with the sell stop. Price dropped 58 pips down and then we took the buy limit and we closed 61 pips on the end of the week. This is the Euro Aussie out trade which killed like 300 pips to the first target. And I'm still expecting it to go up because we have the 1 wave, 2 waves, 3 waves. This is the 4th wave and I'm expecting the wave 5 happen as well. So we're still holding this one. Next one is USD franc. USD franc after the FOMC we entered with the sell stop and it gave us nice 93 pips. Then the price retraced back here and we are again in the short. And now it's we are here and we are looking to the trades which I'm gonna trade this week. So Aussie CAT already we took the profit, but I'm still expecting the price to come down to this lower bands of these levels of these long-term channels. So if the price retraces a little bit, I will be looking to enter with the sell limit. Next one is Aussie franc as well. Here we took the profit and right now I'm expecting the price retrace a bit to test this previous POC level and this upper band of this descending channel. There I will be entering with the sell limit and my target will be on the previous POC. This is the Aussie USD. This one is we took the 98 pips profit on the way down, but right now what the COT is telling me, we can see that the banks has raised their longs almost for the 10k because they had a 34k and right now they are 45. We can see in the past when they've been a 42k how the price moved up, and then when they've been 43k they did this more accumulation and then they move it up again. So right now the price is dropping and they're rising their shorts, and we can see that they're rising shorts because they probably will be taking the profit of those shorts down here, and if they have building these longs, I think that we will see the more bounce up. So I will be looking for the longs on this Aussie dollar. CAD franc, here we took the profit after this sell limit and right now the price is retracing. So here above in this supply zone I will be looking to get a short. Next one is CAD yen. Here as I said we had this sell stop, we took the profit, then we took another 60 pips on this move above. What I'm still expecting is that we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and here will be wave 5. So I'm waiting for smaller retracement and then the move up, which will be the fake out of this channel. I think it's gonna happen because this channel was tested already a couple times, and now it's too obvious that this channel is here. So I think that many people will be shorting here. They will put stop losses above, so the price will definitely should go there, and from here I will be looking for the shorts, but at this moment I'm looking for the long. Next one is Euro Aussie. This is our trade. As I said, I'm expecting this fifth wave to happen and move the price into this previous zone, from where we saw this nice accumulation with nice volume and then the drop. So this is gonna be my target around 164. Next one is Euro CAD. This trade is going a little bit against us because we entered after this retracement, and I was expecting this channel to hold, but the price is going against us. So what could happen? So we have another channel down here. Our stop loss is behind it. What can happen is that price could come here and bounce. If that doesn't happen, then we are stop out. Okay, we're gonna have minus 1% stop loss. It's part of the game, and we will be looking to re-enter. Our risk reward ratio is right now 2.87, so we can recover this trade with the next one if this one will not work. Euro franc, the price is dropping very sharply, and we can see what I'm expecting is that this support will be broken down. What I would like to see is the price to close this gap, which is this green level from the, it's a gap from the 2017, and I'm thinking that it's gonna be closed. What I would like to see is the smaller retracement, the stop hunt of these sellers, and then continuation down. So I will be entering with the sell limit. Euro yen, the price is moving in this channel. So if the price will retrace higher first into this accumulation where we had this nice volume, then I will be looking for the short. If the price go down first, then I will might adjust my sell limit lower. So this is depends how the market will develop, but I will definitely not looking for the long because it's a counter trend. Euro kiwi, so this kiwi is now testing these upper band of this ascending channel for the third time, and it started to drop. I think that we might see these levels. So if the price retrace, which could happen because these waves are happening here, I would like to enter the short on this level. Next one is Euro USD. This pair is very boring, and it's moving like not sharply. Anyway, what I'm looking for is that I'm seeing that the banks are still very heavily bearish, much more bearish than bullish, because we can see that they started to reduce their longs position again, so they are becoming bearish. So what I would like to see is enter if the price retrace into the top of this descending channel and this previous POC, or if it drops first without this retracement, then I will be looking for the longs. So shorts after retracement and longs down here. At this moment, I'm not interested to trade because it can go up and down. It doesn't give me any edge. Next one is Pound Aussie. This one I was looking for the short previous week, but it didn't retrace it into my level, so the move happened totally without me. So right now, what I want to see, I think that the price could come to visit this lower band of this channel. If it happens like this, I'm not in the trade. If it retraces first, then I would like to enter with the sell limit and join this downtrend. Next one is Pound CAD. Pound CAD is another one which happened without me. I was actually last week predicting all these big moves on the pound, because what I have seen is that they had 24k longs and over 100k shorts. Now we are seeing that this move happened, but without me. It was because I was waiting for the retracement, which didn't happen. It's a part of the trading, and right now, if the price will retrace, I would like to enter the short and with the targets of this lower band of the channel. If the price starts to drop down first, I will skip the trade. That's part of the game. Pound Kiwi, it's another one. As I was forecasting last week, we can see here from the previous plan, I was forecasting this short here, but it happened boom, but without me. So right now I'm waiting for the correction, and I would like to join the trade. If the price drop down without me, then I might start to look for the longs. Next one is pound USD. Still, I'm very bearish. It dropped last week, and we can see that the banks didn't add any longs, and they are still very heavily bearish. They have still 5 times bigger shorts than the longs. So small retracement, and I think we have big chance to visit this low, this Brexit low, because until some news about Brexit will come, some decisions, still it's very bearish. This is the 𝐓𝐑𝐃𝐃𝐃. 𝐓𝐑𝐃𝐃 is dropping in this descending channel, which was tested once here, and right now the 𝐓𝐶 is becoming a little bit bullish, and cat is still bearish. We can see that the banks added a little bit longs, and they are still heavily, they still have big shorts. But the 𝐓𝐶 is very oversold, and they will be already taking out the profits. So if it drops a little bit lower, then I will wait for the accumulation, and then the corrective move up after this big oversold movement down. Next one is 𝐓𝐶. Yes, here is the case. So what I am seeing is that we just tested a second time, because here it was first time this channel, and then the price moved up, and right now we are moving down. So what is happening here is, I think that the banks starting to accumulating longs positions, and they will be trying to close their shorts. They are having the massive shorts, so they will be here they will be closing it before the price start to move up again. So I'm waiting with my buy limits a little bit lower. Next one is USD CAD. What is going on here is very simple. We are seeing that the price is moving in this channel. So what happened right now is that many people are expecting the price drop because they're seeing the weak dollar. Right, okay, the dollar is might weak, but maybe the CAD is weaker. What we can see is as well this. We can see that right now we have 40k shorts and 35k longs. Right, it looks like it should be bearish, but look what happened. We have 40k shorts, but we had before 61k shorts, and we have 35k longs, but we have 42. So what basically happened is that with the longs, the banks reduced minus 7k longs, and with the shorts they reduced minus 21k shorts. So if someone closed such a big shorts positions here and just small longs, what they probably expect? They probably expect the price to go higher. And why do I think it will go higher? As well, because of this. Many people seeing, let me clear this first. Many people seeing this support. So what happened here? They broke through the support, then they retraced it. So many people entered here at the short, and then they are in the trap. So what basically happened is they trapped them here, and those who shorted, where they put stop losses? Here, here, and here will be 3 levels of the stop losses. And here, what is here? Here is nice supply zone and the POC. So I think the price will come back up here. So might in these zones we could start to look for shorts, but for now it's definitely for me looking bullish. So USD CAD is bullish. USD franc, so as I said, we had a nice sell stop here. We took 90 pips out, then we left the price retrace up, and now we are in the short again. What I don't like too much is that this reality, which I didn't know at the moment when we entered, that the banks actually rise their longs to the 24k. And so what's that mean? They probably adding the longs position. So what we could see is the stop hunt of these levels, right? So what I will do is I will just simply move the stop loss to my entry, and I will protect my positions this way. If it drops, then good. If they is hunted, I will get out break even. That's the way how I'm gonna do it. So next one is a USD-JPY. USD-JPY, we are here in this, we are in this trade, we entered here and the price is still moving somehow. So what I'm expecting right now, as we can see, the banks rise their short positions. They actually having, they went 23, 25, 33 right now. And if we look to the longs, it's a 55, 54, 58. So this, if we compare it, so they closing longs and rising shorts. So what that means? That means JPY bullish, right? So what I will do is we have this position, and if we go higher, I will hedge these positions and I will add another one here, because I'm not sure if it's gonna happen like this, because we still have these three waves here. So we will see another wave up and then the short. So I have now two options. I can leave this trade, and if they move up here, I will get the stop loss 1%, and I will open another trade which will cover it easily, because this will be by 1% risk, and this is like two times more. So I will cover this one, and still I will be another 1% in the profit. So this one I'm waiting, but we have the trade, and I'm definitely seeing it as a bearish because of this data. This is what tells me what's gonna happen, and I believe it. Next one is USD Mexican peso. We had nice 300 pips on this on the beginning of this September, and then it was moving sideways. Right now we are moving up, and what's happening here? So yes, we can see that in the last 2 weeks banks added the longs positions to move the price up, but what as well they did, so they moved the longs from the 30 to 57. So they added 27k longs, and they moved from 127 to 150, and they added 23k shorts into what they have it. Overall, they are 72% to the short side. So what I'm expecting here is that they will be my profit taking here in this level, and then moving the price down. So I'm waiting with the sell limit, and I will join this trade. Next one is USD-SGD, and I think it's last one. So we've been waiting with our buy limit down here, which didn't happen, because I like it to enter on this level where the volume was coming into the market, but didn't happen. So now the price is moving up, and what I'm expecting is that if it will drop back into this channel, so then we might see move up into this high again. It of course could go higher, but I decided that I will not do such a big targets, because what I realized after this month, when I did properly my analysis of my trades, is that I'm entering the trade, I have one target, second target, which is okay, because then I can have a 1 to 10 risk reward. But what's the problem is that if you enter here and you take the first target here, then the price start to do this thing, and you know, it's very difficult for psychologically to hold it when the price go too much against you, and it takes too much time, and the swap is eating you. So I decided not to trade with the two targets, but I will do just one target, smaller one, and a sure one that it will be reached. So this is it, my friends. I hope you enjoy my Forex market forecast. Don't forget to download the trading plan, which is in the PDF below the video, in the video comment. Visit my Telegram channel, which is this one, and as well, if you're interested to join the Signals group, do it via my website, or contact me if you want to try the trial or whatever. Have a great weekend. Bye.